Welcome to today's chatter-io tech news with the top 5 stories of the day. Without further ado, let's get into it. From screenshot to prototype in minutes with Claude Artifacts. Claude Artifacts allow you to prototype product ideas using natural language prompts. And this new feature by Anthropic's AI assistant reduces reliance on other teams, such as developers and designers, to visualize app ideas. And this democratizes app development for professionals with ideas. Finally, your idea becomes live and allow you to operate efficiently as a small team. But claims about speed might be overstated, and similar tools like GitHub Spark or Vercel's v0 already exist. Also, Artifacts lacks clarity on integration with broader workflows that competitors already have, like Cursor AI. Still, AI-assisted prototyping could define the next wave of innovation, where more entrepreneurs will have tools to create. How Amazon hires for quality. Bar raisers at Amazon are experienced leaders who enforce consistent hiring standards by overlooking recruiting processes and possessing veto power. As companies scale and or need to adapt to technical evolutions, consistent hiring standards like Amazon's bar raiser program will be crucial for long-term success. Looping in a bar raiser creates transparency and ensures consistent hiring quality across a scaling organization. While a manager sets an evaluation standard for a candidate based on their open role, the bar raiser can set a standard for the organization. However, this relies on subjective judgment, which can overlook potential great hires who just need a bit of mentorship, and it creates a conflict between a manager and the bar raiser, which can alienate teams. It also adds a bottleneck to rapid hiring, as you need a bar raiser, specifically a bottleneck for high growth scenarios. Therefore, professionals must balance hiring quality with speed. In today's market though, where AI allows for higher productivity, more organizations will lean towards quality than speed. Are you raising a digital genius or just a distracted kid? One parent told his son who spent 7 hours on TikTok and Roblox about psychological triggers instead of screen time restrictions. The author of the book, The AI Parent, says tech-savvy parenting is evolving, and by empowering children with an understanding of AI tools and their psychological effects can help them thrive. Because by understanding how psychological triggers work, children are empowered to self-regulate technology use. And the author shows, by understanding these core psychological needs and a system designed to exploit them, my son began self-regulating his screen time. The perfect world for a parent. But this overemphasis on self-regulation might assume too much maturity in children. Not all the kids will possess it. And it ignores the broader societal impact of widespread AI integration into family life in maintaining genuine human connections. With AI literacy poised to become as fundamental as reading to the next generation, tech professionals must consider how early education can empower the next generation to use these tools wisely. AI gets an F on this math exam. Current AI models solve less than 2% of frontier math problems, far below the 90% performance on traditional benchmarks. Frontier math exposes the limits of AI reasoning abilities, offering a new standard for testing true problem-solving skills. How did I do it? While traditional benchmarks focus on high school math, frontier math consists of hundreds of unpublished and difficult math problems, created by researchers that require genuine reasoning. And this highlights the gaps AI needs to address, guiding researchers towards meaningful improvements. Critics say, however, the test fails to address how such benchmarks apply to solving real-world problems. Complex math problems might not be the right focus to build AI for the greater good in medicine or material science, and this benchmark might be merely academic posturing. But it highlights the need to find meaningful benchmarks to track progress on improving reasoning. Outcome-based pricing makes software fair. Intercom, one of the pioneers of outcome-based pricing, charges 99 cents per successful AI resolution, a proxy for a clear outcome. Outcome-based pricing shifts the burden of value creation from customers to vendors by charging only for measurable success. And this aligns customer and vendors' interest, building a fair relationship and fostering trust. Software buyers benefit as it solves the waste of unused software licenses by charging per seat. However, proxies for success, like an AI resolution, may oversimplify true return on investment, and metrics fail to match real-world outcomes. What if AI does a ticket resolution for Intercom, but the customer issue isn't really fully resolved, making the problem even worse? Also, success-based pricing can feel like a tax. Our takeaway is that outcome-based pricing could disrupt traditional software subscriptions and usage models, as what actually creates value will be highly transparent, making it even more important to center software creation around solving real pain points.